Gloreha devices are the most advanced, effective and user-friendly technological combination to support motor rehabilitation of the upper limb and neurocognitive recovery. Gloreha devices support the daily work of rehabilitation specialists and promote multidisciplinary interaction for patient benefit. Maestro is a portable device focused on hand mobilization. The core of Maestro is a rehabilitation glove which can generate both flexion and extension of fingers. During mobilization, the patient can watch a 3D simulation of the hand in motion on the screen, designed to stimulate neuroplasticity. Maestro can be placed next to the patient's bed, allowing rehabilitation treatment to begin from the acute phase, and in the gym or OT room to carry out treatments with patients in a sitting or standing position. AIDA is a rehabilitation and neurocognitive learning device based on eye tracking, cognitive training through the interaction with the eyes. AIDA recognizes what the patient is looking at. The screen offers games for the rehabilitation of cognitive functions such as selective attention, divided attention, memory, and problem-solving skills. Crescendo is an extremely versatile device offering passive hand mobilization therapies and interactive games with no gravity. With the functional games, the patient can actively move the upper limb and trigger assistance in functional grasping movements by reaching specific targets. Complex reaching actions involving the proximal district and distal extremities can be simulated. Action observation therapy exercises and evaluation platform are among the most appreciated software features of Crescendo. Sinfonia is the most advanced functional hand rehabilitation device, able to mobilize the fingers and detect the patient's active movements, perform passive active-assisted mobilization therapies, or fun and stimulating games. A peculiarity of Sinfonia is the innovative bimanual training, particularly indicated for hemiplegic or hemiparethic patients. A patient's hand active movements are recognized by the system and reproduced on the contralateral limb through the robotic glove. The mirror motor mechanism, the observation of two 3D hands moving, the execution of serious games, and bilateral functional tasks with real objects amplify the stimulation of the cortical areas. Thanks to the therapist-driven mobilization, Sinfonia also allows the therapist to wear a sensorized glove to dynamically guide the functioning of the passive mobilization glove on the patient's hand. The synergistic relationship between patient and therapist amplifies the potential of the rehabilitation glove. ARIA is a sensorized device for the motor treatment of the upper limb and neurocognitive training that offers interactive games focused on the arm, wrist, and hand movements and cognitive exercises. The patient can move the upper limb in space with no gravity, while the graphic interface involves the patient and enhances the playful aspect of the treatment. Patients and therapists have immediate feedback on the performance trend. A special evaluation section allows the therapist to test the patient's upper limb movements and analyze the therapy progress. Concerto is a technological solution that grants the patient continuity of upper limb active rehabilitation and neurocognitive training from hospital to home, with remote control by a clinical specialist. Thanks to Concerto, the same exercises that the patient has learned in the gym with ARIA are available at home. Under the supervision of a professional, the therapy parameters can be monitored and changed at any time. Gloreha, grab your life.